Hey guys, today we're showing you how to make McDonald's inspired slimes. We'll do a complete meal set with a cheeseburger, cola, and fries. First we'll start by making the burger. You'll need some white slime and yellow clay. Mix them well and add a drop of brown coloring. This will be used for the buns. Since we want the buns to hold their shape, spray some activator on it to make sure it becomes harder and more moldable. Roll out the dough and separate them into two. One for the top and one for the bottom. Next we'll do the cheese slice. Again, mix some yellow clay into a small amount of white slime and add a drop of orange coloring to it. This will turn the slime into the yellow, orangey, delicious color of sliced cheese. Now let's make the pickle slices. Mix some green and yellow clay together and a small amount of slime. To get the perfect pickle color, add a drop of brown coloring and mix it well. We'll add extra details to the pickle by adding some waves on the side and dusting colors on them using soft pastels. Use some sugar beads for the seeds of the pickle. Moving on to the most important part of the cheeseburger, the patty. Chop up some of the melamine sponge into chunks. This will add texture into the slime and make it look more realistic. Next, add some white slime. Brown clay and coloring to get the perfect color. Add extra details on it using a mix of red and brown pastel. Now it's time to assemble the cheeseburger. Lay on the bottom bun the patty, cheese, pickles, onions using chopped up sponge, red slime for ketchup, yellow slime for mustard, and finally the top bun. Honestly guys, it looks so real, it's making me crave for a burger. Next, we'll make our cola using some clear slime and brown coloring. Adding gold glitter and sugar beads to the slime will make it look more like sparkly soda. No burger is complete without a side of fries. Using just yellow clay, cut out long rectangular strips that looks like fries. And there you go, a McDonald's cheeseburger meal set. And now it's time to slime. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think of it. Also guys, if you want to get the coolest slimes, we have a bunch of awesome slime flavors on Scoopy. So check out scoopy.com.au and order online. We ship worldwide, so definitely go check it out. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.